Hello all. Apologies in advance. This video is going to be a bit of a boring one. I'll speed most of it up for you, but I'm trying to show everything I'm doing in this little mini series, just so, well, for my own benefit as well as yours, just to show you everything I'm doing really. This is me building up the corner, building up the left hand side as you're looking at it from the front, door reveal, and building the corner up. I don't know if you can see, but I've already put the step in, a big stone step that I've had from the reclamation yard, and you saw me last video burying the cable, the armoured cable, putting the trench in and that. So I'm just building over that really now, just so I can, once this is done, I can backfill the corners, backfill the side, and then I can start building the front up a little more, and then it's onto the arch roof. So yeah, apologies in advance. I don't know if I've mentioned before, I'm not expecting many views on this one, let alone comments, but if you do decide to comment or whatever, please tell me where you are, because I quite like to know these things, who's watching from where, just for my own interest really. I know a couple of guys I follow, Alex Builds, likes to put on a map. I don't think I'll go to that level of detail because I haven't got a map, but I quite like just to know. I like that he knows where his followers are, and thought I might as well ask you guys to do the same. So if you've stuck with it this far, thanks very much for watching, and hopefully the next one will be a little more chat and a little less what's the word I'm looking for? Sped up. Cheers all. Forgot to mention, just if there's anything you'd like me to go into more detail on, or not speed up, or less detail on, and either cut it or speed it up, feel free to let me know in the comments. I'll do my best. I just don't know how much detail people like, so let me know what you do and what you don't like, and I'll do my best to act on them. Cheers all. Afternoon all. Got a root store update. We've had a pretty grim week weather-wise the last week or so. So I haven't done a huge amount on this root store. I've been on the Dutch barn, so this has ground to a bit of a halt. But what I have done is, well, I'll spin you around in a minute, but I've filled the back. Oh no, I'll start at the beginning actually. I've built the left-hand side as you're looking at the front up to me. I don't know if you can see the string line there, but it is there. It's just quite not very bright anymore because it's old. But yeah, built that corner up, built the door reveal up. Got another course or so to build here. Then I can backfill this lot with some rubble that I've dug from down there. You can see I've levelled it out a little bit more, ready for some more gravel, and I've got a soil pile there. So that soil is going to get dumped. Oh yeah, another thing I haven't told you, it's going to get dumped around the back of the wall here to get piled against the outside of the root store. I think it helps keep it cool a bit in the height of summer, from what little summer we have these days. I've also tidied up a little around the back here with a mini digger. So I've separated the stone, which I've got a bit of a technique now. I put the stone at the top and it rolls down and ends up in a stone pile at the bottom, and the soil and the sand stays packed fairly nicely against the side. I haven't sort of graded it and things yet, but it's a bit better than it was. So I've got my buttress to build here. I've dug my little step foot in there. I say step footing, it's loosest sense of the word. So I've got me, well, door reveal as you know there, and it's going to come down to a sort of buttress about another probably 1.2 metres out. I'm going to build a staircase here for that door. I don't know if I told you about that, but I think I have. But the root store needs to be done first. So I'll get this built to level here. Then I can start on the arches. Or I say the arches, the arch formers for the round roof. But I'm trying to get everything built to my string line that you should be able to see there. And same down this down these countertops now. I've got another, probably I haven't got a string there, so probably got another 150 odd mil to build up there. Then I might take a step back without killing myself here. I might carry on building the doorway up a little bit. Like I said, it's going to be a short door, probably 4.5 foot, maybe 5 foot. See what I feel like there. But I want it to be a stoop down to get in because I want it to be as invisible as it can be. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. There's stone pile I'm using quite quickly, so I want to try and get rid of this stone pile. Then I can got another couple of ton of gravel to go on my footings here. Then I can build my wall onto it. You can kind of see the natural bank of the soil there. So my footing is going to stop about here. So I haven't got too much to put in. A couple of barrow loads, whack it down, and then I can build the footings of my buttress up a bit. So yeah, it's been probably a week and a half since I've done any work on this. So had a bit of a fall, and the stone fall at the back here. This stuff on the countertops has fallen down from here, but that'll all start getting some support when I'm not far off starting this arch. I'm going to start this end, work my way backwards here. So that'll all start getting supported. There's a few sketchy looking stones up there, but if they fall, they fall. There's enough soil there to cushion the fall. So hopefully it's not going to destroy things too much. And yeah, that's kind of where I'm up to with it. So I'll carry on. I might set you on a bit of time. That's what I'm doing, some stonework, maybe building this side to string line here. I'll set you up, but you're probably sick to death of watching me do stonework badly, so I won't film too much more of that because it's pretty slow going, and there's only so many time lapses anybody needs to watch. Right, catch you in a bit.